I'm making a short video so you can hear what the alarm sounds like on this vintage Jaeger LeCoultre 24-hour recital alarm clock. The clock is really in wonderful condition. Just a little bit of patina on the dial. So I already have it wound. I'm going to advance the time and you can hear how the alarm works. So this has a recital movement, which means that the alarm will go off at the same time every day on a 24-hour cycle. And most alarm clocks, the alarm would go off every 12 hours. So I need to get to 11 a.m. You can see that's where the 24-hour alarm wheel is set, or close to it. There we go. Nice loud alarm. And then in another 24 hours, the alarm will go off again without having to do anything. Take care.